3, 2, 1, start. The National Policy on Education into brackets NPE 1986 says education will be used as an agent of basic change in the status of women. In order to neutralize the accumulated distortions of the past, there will be a well-conceived edge in favor of women. Education system will play a positive interventionist role in the empowerment of women. It will foster the development of new values through redesigned curricula, textbooks, the training and orientation of teachers, decision makers, and administrators, and the active involvement of educational institutions. This will be an act of faith and social engineering, the removal of women's literacy and obstacles inhibiting their access to and retention in elementary education will receive overriding priority through provision of special support services, setting of time targets, and effective monitoring. Para. The sex ratio in India has been consistently low due to various reasons. Sons are given preference, girl child is valued lower than the boys, neglect of girl child resulting in higher mortality at younger age, higher childhood mortality, female infanticide, lineage issues, patriarchal structure, old age security, and low sex ratio at birth. It varies from state to state. The performance of states like Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, and Uttar Pradesh in improving the sex ratio has not been good. In the 2001 census, Rajasthan had the sex ratio of 922, which was improved in 2011 to 926 In Uttar Pradesh, the sex ratio was 898 in 2001. However, with a slight improvement, it became 908 For Punjab, it was 974 in 2001 and in 2011 it is 893. Haryana has shown negative growth in sex ratio. In 2001, it was 921, which got decreased to 879 in 2011. The proposed study presents the status of education in the states of Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Uttar Pradesh. Para. One of the biggest factors holding back India's progress is its high level of illiteracy, especially with regards to women. Despite several attempts at educational reforms of Government of India, the most recent census into brackets 2011 reports that overall adult literacy is at 74.04% with a rate of 82.14% for males and 65.46% for females. This information clearly illustrates a dramatic disparity in literacy between genders, amounting to a gap of 16.68%. The situation is even worse for women living in rural areas, with the literacy rate as low as 46.37%. Para. A low level of literacy in women has been connected to a variety of social, economic, and health issues, including malnourishment, high levels of fertility, high infant mortality, low earning potential, and a subordinate status within both the household and larger community. It has also been seen that illiteracy limits modernization and economic development efforts by preventing a large portion of the population from participating in educational and career opportunities that would help them utilize their potential to a level. India is a populous country with vast differences in economic resources, social hierarchies, and cultural traditions across states. Rajasthan has one of the lowest literacy rates of 66.11%, with male literacy of 79.19% and female literacy rate of 52.12% in 2011.